Look what we got here. I found a little baby critter. He's a giant ringneck snake. Thing's probably like a foot long. Look at the size of that thing. He's a giant. Very, very tame, very docile. Usually really small. I've seen him down to like 3-4 inches. Oh, I think he peed on me a little. That's okay. We're out here getting some dirt, but yeah, giant ringneck snake. I'll wash my hand off with a little dirt there. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you see it? There's little droplets of, what is it? Oh, that's rain, yeah. What are you eating over there? Anywho, over here in the garden, got the north-south tray going here. I'm going to clear this all out. Cut that ragweed down the other day. Going to get this tray moved over here. This tray of all the big ones, all my half-dead 3-gallon pots, which are going to get transitioned out. So I want to get this big tray over there and start moving all of this over. And it's nice and cool out. There's actually little bits of rain. See, you can see the rain on the... I'm just so amazed it's raining. Thunder wolf. Fur missile making her second lap. Alright, well I got a lot of that cleared out pretty quick. Now I got a load of dirt here. I gotta pull all these plants out of the tray, move all the blocks over, level all the blocks, align them with my compass, which I still have set up here. My little homemade compass. Oh yeah, I got my cowboy hat on today. I'm gonna take my horse down. Whoop, whoop. No, we're not singing that. Oh wait, am I recording? Oh man, I missed all that. Anyways, got all the... Wait, when would I start recording? How long is this? Okay, we're doing good. So, anyways, I got all this cleared out. Thought I was recording a minute ago, but I'm not. Thunder Wolf, the fur missile here. Made a couple laps through. We missed some of that. But anyways, I got this whole area cleared out pretty well. Got a load of dirt here. Got to pull all these out of the tray. Move the blocks over, level them up, put the tray in, put some water in, check the level, and then I can move all the plants back in. So about another 5 minutes worth of work. So there we are, got the other tray in, got it all leveled, got the blocks in there, got some diatomaceated earth. Try that one, closed caption speller lady, or person. So yeah, we're ready to throw a little bit of water in there and then throw all the plants in it. Yeah, this is working out actually really good with my hedgerow of, even not doing that good hedgerow here. I have a little row of shade down here, so it's catching like half of these trays in the morning. So they're not getting that blast of early heat, which cooks by like 11 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah, half of these trays are kind of half sun shaded. Anyway, that's not, but whoops, what's going on there? That one's kind of full sun right now. Actually, it's just coming out of the shade from the shade cloth or mesh, and it's going to be catching shade from these palm trees over here by like noon, 12:30-ish, 1 o'clock. They're going to be getting their shade, so that it's going to give them a chance to cool off and not cook for that extra 2 or 3 hours that they will over here, because it takes the sun a while to get over to there for these guys. So yeah, and you can see these are full blasting sun right now. It was nice and cool this morning. The temperature's gone up about 20 degrees in the last half hour because the clouds burned off. And hopefully we're going to get a little rain this afternoon. We'll see. But yeah, I got a whole new perspective now, knowing that east is actually this way instead of that way. I mean, I had it off quite a bit. But yeah, all of this stuff is half shaded in the morning, so this is going to be much better. Actually, I could move all these trays, put one more block in down here on the ends of these, and slide these trays even more into the shade. If I had more blocks, but I don't. So yeah, I just got to dig some of this stuff out. Got a palmetto in there that's kind of dying anyways. Level that off. Or maybe go this way. Anywho, I'm hard at it today.